Hi, it is Jasmine here, and it's so good to have you here. This is lesson 65 of the JavaScript algorithms and data structures course on freecodecamp.org. This we have the title of this lesson is comparison with the greater than operator. Okay, so we've been treating a lot of comparisons in the previous lessons, all right? So it's so important, to know these little things. They are little things that matter. If you make an error with this in your code, it's going to cause a lot of a lot of problems. All right, so it's very important to take note of them, most especially not just okay. Not let me not give so much attention to a particular one, but you've got to pay attention to all this. It's kind of easy to make mistakes with the strict equality and the equality operator because you might forget to put an extra equal to, or you might put an extra equal to where you're not supposed to, and then it's going to mess up your code. So you've got to know the differences so it will help you to debug your code better, right? Even if you have an error. So it says the greater than operator compares the value of two numbers. If the number to the left is greater than the number to the right, it returns true. Otherwise, a return. I think this is quite easy. If we did maths in school, which I believe a lot of us did, we had those greater than and equal to, all those stuff, all those. I believe it was not difficult for any one of us. Great, Then I when I was still learning it in primary school, I had to understand that the greater than is my left, sorry, my right hand, right? So if you take your right hand up in like in an arrow position it in an arrow form, that's your greater than sign. So just in case you may still be confused about the differences, then I used to raise my hand up and say, okay, this is greater than. So I'll look at my book and say, okay, this is greater than. And then my left hand signifies the less than, all right? So that's like a very easy tip for anyone who might still be confused about it. So this is greater than. So 5 is greater than 3. So this is going to evaluate to true. 7 is greater than 3, and this is going to evaluate to true. You notice that it seems to be converting the tree. It's converting the type, all right? So I believe this is not strict. Then 2 is is greater than 3, which is false. 1 greater than 9 is false. All right, so add the greater than operator to the indicated line so that the return statement makes sense. All right, so if val is greater than 100, all right, yeah, then if val is greater than 10, okay, so this should make sense now. Let's go ahead and test as usual. I want us to cultivate a character or habit of testing, okay? No matter how sure you are, always test. So 10 or under. So if we have something like 100, we have over 10. If you have something like 10, okay, we have something like 101 over 100, okay? So let's run our test and this should work. Off the hook, okay? All right, so thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. See you in my next lesson. Yeah, bye.